Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder not connecting. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder not connecting, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will enter to the window of Tinder. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll go to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.